Will you help me read some words today? Great. I have some pictures. Do you recognize any of these things? Yeah, I have a bed, a top, sun, and dog. What does this say? Top, top, top. So we'll put it with the top. What does this say? Sun, sun, sun. So we'll put it with the sun. What does this say? Bed, bed, bed. So we'll put it with the bed. And this one, what does this say? Dog, dog, dog. You read top, bed, sun, and dog. Let's try with some different pictures. What pictures do I have now? Yeah, I have leg, nut, cat, and pig. What does this say? Pig, pig. So where should it go? With the pig. What does this say? Cat, cat. Where should it go? With the cat. We'll put it over there with the cat. What does this say? Egg, egg. What picture does it go with? The leg. We'll put it with the leg. And there's one more. What does this say? Nut, nut, nut. You read leg, nut, pig, and cat. Thanks so much for coming to read with me today. I can't wait to see you soon. Bye.